Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this napkin holder. It's a farmhouse style and I honestly think this cost me less than $3 to make. So, I had to hop on here and share it with you and I love the way it turned out. So if you want to see how I made this using all Dollar Tree items, just keep on watching. We all love Dollar Tree, but if you also love Amazon and you love saving money, be sure to check out my other YouTube channel where I alert you with promo codes like these and price drops. Like this shelf over here is only $19.99, so you get alerted with lightning deals, price drops, codes, and just like this heatless curl, very popular, $4.99. These shorts, you get 2-pack for only $5.94. Or this cart, we're going to drop it down to $12.99 only by putting in a code. It's so easy, you guys. Or you can clip a coupon. You'll get instructions. But if you love deals like those, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. I'll put the link down in the description box. With that being said, let's get started with the video. So here I picked up 2 of these chickens. Dollar Tree has like a whole section that's like, it has new items. I should probably videotape it or include it in my next video. But you can go ahead and pick from pig, cow, or chickens. So for me, I picked up 2 chickens and I'm using these stickers and I'm going to put on it Farm Fresh. These stickers are also from Dollar Tree. You can use vinyl if you'd like. Just get creative, write whatever you'd like on it, or you can even keep it blank. So I'm going to finish this step and I'll tell you what we're going to do next. But before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Now this step is obvious, but be sure to take off the sticker from the back of the chickens. And now we're going to go in with our glue gun. Do you remember my last video with the price drop on this glue gun? I got it. I went cordless, you guys. It feels amazing. This is a game changer. But we're going to go ahead and glue our chickens together. You can go ahead and add reindeer moth onto the bottom, or you can add eggs even if you'd like. Just take the idea, make it your own, and that's pretty much it. You literally just pick up 2 items from Dollar Tree and you got yourself a napkin holder. We're going to put our napkin in the middle now, and we're done. Question time. What's your favorite farm animal? Let's make the comment section busy, you guys. Be sure to stop by the comment section. Let me know what you think about this project and tell me your favorite farm animal. I'd love to hear from you. Now, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.